So the R5 Mark II is officially underway, guys. Hey, this is dope. We got some sources as well, you know, from Canon rumors. Apparently on July 17th, just in a couple days, man, Canon Europe is allegedly about to go ahead and make an official announcement in regards to the Canon R1 and also hopefully the Canon R5 Mark II. I am so ecstatic for this. I can't wait for it. I hope that we're going to get a lot of things that, you know, are rumored to be placed inside of the Canon R5 Mark II. I have the R5 Mark I, or just the R5, I guess. But I love my camera. It's still good. But this Mark II got some crazy new features that may be inside of it. So today we're going to go ahead and talk about the rumors. Let's talk about a couple things that I personally would expect from Canon in the R5 Mark II. It's going to be dope, man. It's going to be dope. What's going on, you guys? It is Ceejaybrand here. And like I said, today we're going to be talking about these Canon R5 Mark II rumors. Let's go and get straight into it, man. So as you guys know, if you guys do own or either we're doing research on the Canon R5, you guys know that our R5 has a 45 megapixel sensor inside of it. It gives us the best quality in a camera, honestly. I mean, from picture quality to video quality, we can shoot up to 8K. The pictures are coming out real dope as well. It's an all-around amazing experience. Now, with this R5 Mark II, they're going to go ahead and give us the same exact 45 megapixel sensor. However, this time it's going to be stacked. Now, what does that mean it's going to be stacked? What do you mean by that, CJ? Yeah. So basically what that means is that if we have a stacked sensor, that's going to help us go ahead and improve our just overall quality again. So let's say, for instance, it's going to help you out with low light quality. I got my notes down here as well. So we got low light quality that's going to be helping us out. Therefore, we'll have less image noise as well. And then on top of it, like I said, just pretty much better image quality overall. So ultimately, if you get a double stack sensor, just know that you get to do some crazy work. Because with this R5 right here, having a 45 megapixel sensor, the sensor is hella big. So therefore, when it comes down to trying to, you know, shoot in low light scenarios, unfortunately, we do get a lot of noise. So hopefully that double stack sensor will, or stack sensor, I should say. I don't know why I keep saying double stack. It's not four of them, but the stack sensor should go ahead and help us improve that quality overall. Now, the next rumor that I am hearing about this camera is going to be a new venting system. Now, personally, this right here is pretty going to be dope. This because you all know Canon cameras have been recently known to overheat a lot. So I ain't gonna lie, when I first got my R5 back a couple years ago, my R5 was honestly overheating a lot. I was actually frustrated with it. I was about to trade it in. I had a Sony camera, but ultimately I stuck with my R5, man. It's just too dang on good. And I'm happy that I did that because nowadays, I don't have these overheating issues at all. So with them doing like a new design to like the vent, pretty much what it says is there's going to be a new venting system to help out with overheating issues, which look, I'm reading the notes, so I'm not gonna read that all. But yeah, like I said, it's gonna be a new venting system pretty much. But the venting system is gonna change the overall camera design itself. So I really can't wait to see exactly what this R5 Mark II is gonna look like. Hopefully it doesn't look too similar to the R5. Hopefully it does see, you know, like different little kinks, you know, such as like the R5. See, it has that venting system in there. Hopefully we'll maybe see that on this R5 Mark II. Now, the next thing I do want to go ahead and get into as well, this is something that I'm really happy that's going to happen because I actually got it right here. So, as you guys know, in all these Canon cameras, we unfortunately have a micro HDMI cable. Now, this micro HDMI cable is so anus. Like, mine's actually is broke. I can't even use it right now. I ain't gonna lie, I just broke it. And I only had this, I probably had this for a couple months though. It's too small, man. Like, it's paused, but it's too small. Like,
got him. We got him.
I don't even know why would you guys, you know, put like a micro or whatever you want to call this HDMI port inside of a $4,000 camera body. Go ahead and give us a full HDMI port. It only makes sense. So that's one of the other rumors that are supposed to be inside this R5 Mark II. I am praying for that to come through just because it's like, bro, come on now. The camera gonna cost $4,000. We snapped this right here so much. It is so annoying to like have to keep buying multiple ones. Like, golly, Golly, you feel me? But anyway, moving on to the next one right quick. Now, this right here, I can definitely believe this one. So in our LCD screen for the R5, the resolution on here is just phenomenal. Pretty much what they are seeing that they're going to do per Canon rumors, they're going to apparently double the resolution on the LCD screen. So I'm trying to figure out how much crispier can this screen right here I'm looking at get. Like, I feel like I'm already looking at 8K footage, so is the next one going to be 16K footage? Like, you feel me? Like, I don't know, man. It's dope. It's going to be dope. This really is going to be dope. Now, the other thing I do want to mention as well that we are looking at inside the Canon R5 Mark2 rumors, they're talking about there may be some type of illumination with buttons. I'm not 100% for sure on exactly what they mean by this. Like, is our camera going to be like high-tech fancy looking, like, you know, like I don't know, you already know in the R5 we have this little screen up top where we can see like our exposure, the battery life, what frames we're shooting and stuff like that. So are you guys going to talk about doing stuff like that? You know, I'm kind of confused, you feel me? But on the bright side, like I said, on July the 17th they're planning on dropping hopefully a banger video for us, or a banger announcement for us as well in regards to the Canon R5 Mark II. I really hope that we do get a lot of these features that I'm kind of sort of reading off, just because, you know, I can't wait. But anyway, let me go ahead and get back into it, man. Let's go ahead and get back into it, okay? Now, as you guys know as well, on our Canon R5 Mark II, we can shoot up to 8K. I think ours is up to 30 frames per second. I don't use 8K at all on my camera because I know as soon as I use it, my camera is going to tell me, look, bro, I'm hot. I can't breathe. I'm about to go to bed. Try somebody else. You feel me? So in the R5 Mark II, this is a specification that I think it isn't a rumor, but it was previously recorded per Canon rumors, that they're going to do 8K 60 frames per second, but with caveats. Now, I don't know exactly what those caveats are allegedly going to be, but I'm assuming obviously you have to go ahead and buy yourself a CF Express B-type card. But on the other side about that, I think that the Canon R5 Mark II is only going to support the CF Express Type B cards, which it would make sense. I ain't gonna lie, it really would make sense. I mean, it is what it is. I mean, it's a $4,000 camera. It's gonna shoot up to 8K. They want this camera to be dope, so it's like, why not just shoot with the bigger cards? Make it make sense, you feel me? So yeah, you guys, those right there were just a couple of great features that we can hopefully expect that Canon will go ahead and place inside of the new Canon R5 Mark II body. Like I said, I did say some stuff about the R1, but we're not going to talk about the R1 today just because that camera right there that's going to be some crazy stuff, especially since that's going to be the official Canon flagship camera, which I'm surprised the R3 wasn't. But man, anyway, I really hope that we do have a lot of these great features that we did go over today inside this R5 Mark II body, because there's a lot more, including body weight changes. We got some new cooling grip accessories, battery accessories that we're allegedly going to get, dynamic range changes. It is so freaking much, man, that I don't even want to waste any more time speculating. Just because today is July the 14th, on the 17th of July, which is just 3 days away, Europe, or Canon Europe, they're going to allegedly go ahead and drop the official announcement. And hopefully here in the US, we'll go ahead and get the same exact announcement. But I do know so far that they are planning to go ahead and ship these cameras out starting in August of this year of 2024. So let me know what you guys think in regards to the Canon R5 Mark II. Would you go ahead and purchase the brand new camera for $4,000? Because that's the price point apparently. Or would you just go ahead and save some bucks? Go ahead and get yourself a Canon R5. This right here is the Canon R5 footage right here. And I know y'all like it because it's real good and crispy, man. Because I still love it. And the Canon camera R5 is just great. But let me know what you guys would do down below in the comment section. But before you guys do go ahead and go out today, make sure you guys go to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and like I said, comment down below. That way we can keep making videos just like this for everybody. But until next time, you guys, the brand is out. Peace.